Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Asus TUF Gaming F15 not turning on. Nothing gets your heart rate up quiet like pressing the power button on your Asus TUF Gaming F15 and getting absolutely nothing in return. Before you assume the worst, there are a few things worth trying. First, make sure the laptop has enough charge, then disconnect the charger completely. Now press and hold the power button at the F2 key at the same time for about 60 seconds. This performs a hard reset that can clear power-related issues without deleting any of your files. If the laptop still won't start, the next step is checking the RAM. Remove the bottom cover, disconnect the battery if possible, take out the RAM sticks, and firmly reset them before trying again. You can also test with just one RAM stick installed at a time to rule out a faulty module. Another useful test is attempting to boot with only the charger connected or temporarily disconnecting the SSD to see if a failing drive is preventing startup. If there is still no sign of life, no lights, no fan, nothing at all, the problem may be a hardware related. Common causes include a faulty charging port, BIOS corruption, a dead battery, or a motherboard issue that will likely require professional repair. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.